Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Remember this is very simple advice. When everyone's talking about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, that is the sign to get out. When your mom, when your family, when everyone's talking about it. That was happening November 11th when celebrities make videos and songs about it. When no one talks about it, when it's quiet, when my video views are actually, like, people are not paying attention, when it's low, when no one's talking about it in your family, that's the time to start stacking. That's where we are now. It's not financial advice. I'm showing you what I've done for 21 years, all my adventures for the last 2.5 years, and you're seeing what I'm doing, and this is like inspiration for you. You do your own due diligence. But yeah, if you've been watching my videos for 2.5 years, I love having you on the journey, talking to you every day, and I've made hundreds of millionaires and we've had exciting times, and I will keep doing it as well. I'm also the founder of a project, MCRT. We just launched, yesterday it was announced we're listed on another exchange, which is also beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash that thumbs up button down there. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals for Bitcoin. MCRT looks like this is my project. You have to do your own due diligence, but it's close to breaking a downtrend line. Still up quite a lot since the bottom of the bear market for Magicraft. And pay attention to tokens also that do really well in the bear market. Like right now, we're still up around 615% since the bottom. At the peak, it was up around 1,500%, and now it's pulled back a bit, but still up 600% since the bottom of the bear market. Pay attention to MCRT. I'm the founder of this project. The market right now is slightly, or nearly everything in the red. Doge up tiny, the rest of the market quite in the red. Most of the tokens, Bitcoin down 4% today, pulling down the market again. We're breaking again this support line, which is not good. Today, stochastic turned down. On the weekly, stochastic turned down. On the 4-hourly, stochastic also turning down. It's looking like we broke that resistance. We're also making an M pattern, which is not good. This was the spike we had during the FOMOC meeting, and then a pullback, then a recovery, get rejected off the weekly and coming back down. This M pattern means most likely we're going to be heading down, actually. So the trade from yesterday would have actually been failing. This is where we should expect to go from here on this M breakdown. Targeting 17,632. And at that point, I do expect a double bottom. Also, the end of this movement, this big downtrend that started on November 11th, seems to be coming to an end very soon. This red line is the bear market that started on November 11th. You can see when Bitcoin peaked at 69K and have been trending down. That point of the end of this bear market seems to be occurring around here, around the 10th of October. So we have little under 2 weeks to go. But it does look like most likely to get a bottoming formation, we do have to have a double bottom, which would mean we come down to 17,632. So in the short term, I would actually be going short here on this breakdown, targeting 17,632. We do have a support here, a strong one at 18,200, but most likely it would break down. Let's look on the hourly, we're oversold. On the 15 minutes, also oversold. On the 4-hourly, we're still heading down. So I'd actually be shorting from here. I would go short on Bitcoin in the short term, on a little bit of a recovery, and then shorting. I would take this trade. Stop loss, I would go short. Stop loss at 18,934. So risking, it's a short, so meaning I'm selling, expecting it to actually drop. Risking $222 to make $1,097. With 10x leverage, I would make $10,970 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin in the short term. So I'd open the trade at 18,711. Stop loss 18,934. Take profit at 17,614. And hopefully we get a double bottom bounce at that point. It's important that we get a strong bounce there. Otherwise, it can be extremely bad for the markets. Let's check out Ethereum, also down 3%. Coming back down to the 200 weekly moving average. Ethereum got hammered after the merge. It got rejected off that red downtrend line on Ethereum also. On the weekly heading down, daily heading down. It's on a strong support here, but most likely actually going to break. It's sitting right on that support. Look at that. The last time I checked Ethereum was maybe a week ago, and I put this yellow line support at 1,283, and we're literally sitting right on it. Look at that yellow line that I drew a few days ago or something. We're sitting right on it right now. What pattern are we seeing? It is descending, broadening wedge. On the 4-hourly, we're at a strong support, but I think we're going to come down to this trend line. So Ethereum at 1,120 is possible. I would also go short on Ethereum. It's not looking too good on the markets at the moment. It's looking bad for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Shorting Ethereum, stop loss above the weekly, take profit on that downtrend, on that support line. Risky, it's 18% profit trade with 10x leverage, 180% profit trade. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum, risking 103 to make 236, 2.28 ratio trade with 10x leverage, $2,300 of profits. Those are the trades I would make. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video in the description, you can go down below and you can sign up to Bybit in the description. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus. That's the exchange I use to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also buy spot Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. If you want to trade, go down below the link, click on that, sign up to Bybit, and get that $4,450 sign up bonus. Make sure you use my link to sign up, because then you join my trading group, which will be beautiful. Also, I'm the founder of MagicCraft, MCRT. Pay attention to MagicCraft, everyone. This is the project that I'm the founder of. It's the first play-to-earn game that's really a game. We just listed now on BitTrue Official, which is epic. Onwards and upwards. We listed on BitTrue, another exchange, which is awesome. We're also the top 8 metaverse tokens by market cap change in the last 24 hours. We came second after Somnium Space. MCRT is the token. We were top 10 gamers on the metaverse projects in the last 24 hours, coming second after Seek. A lot of awards. MagicCraft keeps winning. MCRT. Top 10 top gainers on Phantom in the last 24 hours. We came 5th, which is beautiful. Up 8.9% on Phantom. Most held highlighted play-to-earn project on BNB chain. We're also ranked as one of the top holders on BNB chain, which is beautiful, but we're just getting started. Pay attention to MCRT, everyone. I'm the founder of this project. To join the closed testers, you need to either be in VIP Knights of the Realm, meaning you either have 1 million MCRT or you hold 1 Genesis NFT collection. We also, the NFTs are one of the top volume gainers of NFTs as MCRT also. So our NFT collection is starting to grow really big as well. We just listed on BitTrue, which is beautiful. And this is the gameplay footage of MCRT. It's an epic game. This is our team internally testing the game.
Let's go.
Can't stay too long because I have some interview to run, guys.
Sure, just win quickly and you can leave.
Win quickly and then you can leave.
This is all team players playing together, testing the game. This is all the team. So these are all the employees, 40 employees that are testing out the game in a PvP match. It's epic. And it's the first real play-to-earn game, which is the merger of crypto and gaming together. You can get MCRT, a coin market cap sitting just under 1 cent. It's got massive volume, 862,000 in the last 24 hours, 20% market cap, 15 million. You can get it on PancakeSwap. Right now, 1,000 USDT gives you around 104,000 MCRT. Also, you can stake your MCRT. There's nearly 500 million MCRT staked, 26.85% APR, different staking periods, which is beautiful. And that's quite big, actually. It's almost 30% of the circulating supply is staked right now, which is epic. Pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looks like we're going to have a pullback. But again, the time to be selling was when everyone was talking about Bitcoin at the peak of the markets on November 11th. The time to be buying, in my opinion, is now. To sell was in November. Start laddering, but don't put all your money in at one go. Make sure you ladder in. It's not financial advice. This is my experience. You want to buy when everyone is quiet and no one talks about Bitcoin. You want to sell when everyone is ecstatic and talking and buying Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.